Good evening, everybody. Uh, it is a great pleasure this evening to organize and host the Mercury Gold Award ceremony for Humanitarian 2024 in the campus of Lina Matino campus, Apanjan and Anandaghar, the children's home. So many international guests in here, so I should the bilanguage, I'm not taking the so many times and not the very formal because I am so emotional and so excited to celebrate the life in here and to associate all of the people in different part of the world. On behalf of OFFER, it is our great pleasure to welcome all of you to Apanjan and Anandaghar for this beautiful occasion. We are honored to celebrate our very special friend, Mr. Sergio Scapagnini, as he's received the prestigious Gold Mercury Award in Humanitarian Affairs for 2024 today. Sergio Scapagnini, an engineer turned humanitarian, movie producer, and author, has long supported the needs of the street children through his philanthropy, books, and film work. He shares his Gold Mercury Award with street children of the world. His book, The Story of Lala, an epic tale of survival of Indian street child, has been published in Italian, French, English, and several major languages. আমি অত্যন্ত গর্বিত আজকে দেবুদাও আছে। খুব যখন ছোট ছিলাম শিশু সাহিত্য সংসদ থেকে আমার ধারণা 20 বছর আগে স্যারজোর লেখা লালা বই বাংলায় পাবলিশড হয় এবং এটা বলে রাখা ভালো স্যারজো ইজ আ গ্রেট ফ্রেন্ড অফ লাস্ট 40 ইয়ার্স হি কেম অ্যান্ড ভিজিট ইন ইন্ডিয়া। ওই লালা বইটা স্যারজো লিখেছে আর স্যারজোর 3টি কন্যা সন্তান স্টেলা, সোফিয়া আর সেরিনা, আমি 3 জনকেই ব্যক্তিগতভাবে দীর্ঘদিন চিনি, ওরা ওই ছবিটার ইলাস্ট্রেশন করেছে। Has now been adopted into the major motion pictures Parikrama, an Indo-Italian co-production directed by the great filmmaker the Gautam Ghosh. Gautam da will come, you know everybody, the Gautam da also chairman of the 30th Kolkata International Film Festival. গৌতম দা কথা দিয়েছে যে কোনো মুহূর্তে গৌতম দা আসবেন। As a reflect on my journey with Sergio, I am filled with gratitude and fond memories. Our paths first crossed in 1998 at a mela organized by Saurabh da, the YMWS at St. Lawrence Ground, led by me, elder brother by eminent educationist in Calcutta, Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee. Sergio's curiosity and compassion drew him to visit our small stall of OFFER, and next day immediately he visited Apanjan at our humble beginning in a small rented flat at Salt Lake. Thus began our long-standing friendship, marked by meaningful conversation and shared the possession. Sergio regularly visited our outreach program at Damdam railway platform and demonstrating his commitment to understanding the lives of the street children not only in Kolkata, almost few other cities in India. Over the past 2 decades, Sergio and I have shared the countless moments, including a memorable winter evening at Naples at one of our common friend Luca Marilini's house. Sergio, convincing spirit, convinced his friends, including Father Gennaro, to support our vision for a permanent center for street children and children with special needs. The vision became a reality with the establishment of the Lina Matino campus, exactly where we are gathered tonight, an integrated residential project providing shelter, nutrition, treatment, and support to children in need. OFFER has been serving children who are the severely underprivileged in the city of Kolkata and semi-urban areas of West Bengal, providing institutional specialized care, psychosocial support for mentally challenged children and children living with HIV and other 50,000 children need its mainstreaming youth living with HIV through a unique ideas in the first time in Asia called Cafe Positive has been well appreciated. Sergio's contributions have extended beyond Kolkata with his engagement in the projects across India, including Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, and Delhi. His selflessness and outstanding support inspired countless individuals, and his legacy will continue to transform the lives. It is our privilege at offer to host the moment occasion at Aponjon, and I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Mr. Nicolas de Santos, President and Secretary General of Gold Mercury International, for his entrusting us with his honor. I would like to extend my special thanks to Mr. Ricardo Dalla Costa, the Consul General of Italy, Kolkata, for his individual support in making this evening possible. Thank you, Ricardo. As a tribute to our enduring relationship with Sergio, we have curated a touching collage of pictures, still photography pictures, reflect our journey together, marked by emotion, participation, love, and care. Sergio, your friendship and partnership have been a blessings to offer, and the countless lives we have touched together. In the spirit of Bengali tradition, we celebrate in every occasion with timeless work of our beloved Rabindranath Tagore. As I conclude my keynote address, I would like to greet Sergio with a soulful version of a Tagore song as a symbol of our appreciation and congratulations for his selfless contributions. আমার প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে, তাই হেরি তাই সকলখানে, আছে সে নয়ন তারায় আলোক ধারায়, তাই না হারায়। ওগো তাই দেখি তাই যেথায় সেথায়, তাকাই আমি যেদিক পানে, তার মুখের কথা শুনবো বলে আমি গেলাম কোথা। শোনা হলো না, আজ ফিরে এসে নিজের দেশে এই যে শুনি তাহার আপন গানে। কে তোরা খুঁজিস তারে কাঙাল বেশে দাঁড়ে দাঁড়ে, দেখা মেলে না। ও তোরা আয়রে ধে, দেখ রেছে আমার বুকে, দেখ রে আমার দুই নয়নে। My innermost one resides with me, and he seems omnipotent hands, he rests within my eyes. I need to search him at all whichever direction I look, at he seems within sight, hence traveling distance in vain for my wish. So join us, we recognize Mr. Sergio Scapagini's outstanding contributions to humanitarian work and celebrate his dedication to making a positive impact in the world. Thank you so much.